Hi everyone, it's Rose. Welcome back to my channel. I am here today to show you what I made with the Simon Says Stamp limited edition card kit. Now this card kit is currently sold out as of my filming this video. However, a lot of the products are still available online. So I'm going to show you what I made with the kit. This is different from their subscription kits in that it's a larger card kit. It has a lot of different product. And when I picked it up, I really liked the contents of the kit, but I really thought, well, I want to challenge myself to see how many cards I can actually make with the kit. I have a tendency to buy card kits and use some of the product, maybe make a few cards, and then sort of store the rest away in my stash and never really get around to using all of it. So I wanted to challenge myself to see how much I could actually make with it. And I'm going to show you today what I have come up with. I was actually able to make 10 A2 size cards, as well as 10 3x4 note cards, and I only used the products that were included in the kit. So here's one of the cards that I made. It came with a double sticker sheet, and they were really cute Valentine stickers. The kit also included a 6x6 paper pad. Again, I know a lot of the products are still available on the Simon website if you want to check that out. So my cards are blank inside. And this is one of the first ones that I made. Here's another one using the stickers that were included in the kit. It also included this glitter washi tape. And this is one of the cardstock patterns. I believe it's the Nina Desert Storm. So really good quality cardstock was included as well. Here's another one of the cards. You can see how cute the stickers are. You really didn't need a lot if you use the stickers and some background paper to embellishment. The kit also included a stamp set, one stamp set, and I'm going to show you some of the cards that I made utilizing this. These are actually Doodlebug little mini envelopes that were included. And so you actually, folded and glued the envelopes. And then it included these little inserts that you can add to it. So this is another one of the cards that I made using those. So sometimes it's kind of fun to challenge yourself just to use what's included in a kit and really nothing else. And a lot of times stickers, I think we all have a tendency to buy sticker packs and then we're like, well, I don't really know. I really can't foresee how I'm going to use those. I like to pop them up on foam dots and add some backing paper to them, and I think they can sometimes be a cute little focal point for the front of a card. This kit also included a white jelly roll pen, so I've embellished some of these hearts. These were actually included with the Doodlebug envelopes as little punch outs. So I added some of the white jelly roll pen for stitching and polka dots there to just add a little fun there. I just kind of cut this background paper with a little fishtail. Again, I didn't use any dies. I didn't use any embellishments from my stash, just what was included in the kit. Now this is a stamp that was actually part of the stamp set that was included in the kit. And what I've done here is just kind of colored this up with my Tombow markers, matching that up to some of the background paper, adding a little sticker there. And again, I left all of the cards blank on the inside. I thought these were cute little stickers. They were part of a Doodlebug collection as well. And this was a stamp that was included again with that stamp set. And that was a Simon Says Stamp exclusive stamp set that sort of was punny little Valentine related sentiments and images that I thought were cute. And here's the last one, Valentine's Sweetheart, and then the heart banner sticker. And this is, again, that Nina Desert Storm cardstock. So the cardstock that was included is really excellent quality between the Simon Says Stamp and the Nina, and there was even a 120-pound cardstock sheet that was included as well. So those concluded my 10 A2 size cards. Now, the kit also included one of these invitation fold-over envelopes, and what I've done here is I've sort of made that into an instant card by just adding some of the paper pad that was included there, one of the sheets from that, and then some stickers, and this kind of folds up like this. So really you could just seal that with maybe a sticker and address the front, stamp it, and send it off just as is. So then also included in the kit were some note cards that are actually 3x4, and they were solid. And again, I layered up some of the paper there and added the stickers. Very simple. It also included some envelopes. So these are ones that you could write on the back, Happy Valentine, or a little message, and just kind of slip it in there and include it with maybe some candy or a little gift for someone. And I thought those were a really nice addition to the kit. And here's another one I made with one of the stickers and hugs and kisses and the background paper. And again, the envelope. So those are all ready to go. Now this is another one of the stamps from that stamp set that was included. Use soda, make my heart pop. And I colored these in with the Tombow markers that I have. And then it also included a selection of 50 heart-shaped brads. So you can really see the enamel shining on that brad there. And again, the envelope. So that's another one of the little 3x4 cards. Again, this is another one of the stamps from that collection with the little chili peppers. This is again some of that glitter tape. So if you bought a kit like this and you were doing it with maybe some kids and you just kind of wanted to have fun one afternoon, these go together pretty quickly, and they're sort of cute little Valentines. Again, another one of the stamps. You've stolen a piece of my heart, and the pizza, and the little heart sticker there. Here's another one of those little doodle bug envelopes. So this is kind of fun to do. Now, it included 2 clear envelopes, or with a little cutout envelope. So what I've done here is I've taken one of those 3x4-inch cards and added some of the stickers to it, a little stamp, and some of those heart brads. And with this envelope, it actually will fit the card, and there's also plenty of room in the envelope to tuck in a little gift card behind it as well. So I thought that might be cute to show the little sentiment on the outside there peeking through the window, and then maybe sticking a gift card or a little special note behind that. And here's the other one that I made. that you could also tuck a little gift card in with. And it just says, "Love you, Valentine." So I thought the sticker set was very cute. Now, again, I did have some leftovers, not a lot. The kit also included 10 of these little treat bags, and I thought they would be fun to get to put together to maybe add a candy bar to, or some kisses. I added some stickers here, and again, that glitter tape. This kit also included this really pretty doodle bug, pink, fuchsia, and white grosgrain ribbon. I've attached that with one of the brads. And again, this is also fun for friend mail, or, you know, again, if you're making little treat bags, or your child needs to bring some treats to class, this might be cute too. So I've made 5 of those, so I have 5 additional treat bags to use for something else. Just decorated them up very simply with the stickers. So that's everything that I made with the kit. Now let me show you what I have left over. You can see I have quite a few of those heart-shaped brads left because I got 50 of those in the set. So I have quite a lot of those left to add to my stash. There was also this little sprinkle-shaped sticker collection that I did not use. This is the 25 count Breakfast Buddies stickers. And these, I didn't use these because they really didn't coordinate with the paper and the other stamp set in the kit. This is a look at that stamp set. And you can see there the pizza and the soda cans, the typewriter, the chili peppers are on that. So I have this to add to my stash. Also included was another large white envelope that I did not use. I have quite a bit of that red washi tape left, the glitter tape in the red, and I thought this will be nice to save for maybe some Christmas cards. And I've got that. Again, I have 5 left of the treat bags. This included 10. I used 5. I've got 5 left of those. I have a little bit left of that really pretty pink, white, and fuchsia color grosgrain doodlebug ribbon. So I have some left of that. I have about 4 left of these little mini envelopes. So I could go ahead and make my own 3x4 for birthday cards or to add to gifts. And I have those little envelopes. I used the majority of the stickers. It was quite a large 2-sheet sticker collection. I've used most of those, but I have a few left. And this is really, I just have scraps left of the paper pad. So I've used the majority, almost all of that 6x6 paper pad that was included. I just have some scraps left, but of course, as we all know as crafters, these are always nice to have in our stash because we never know when we're making a tag and we want to add some color paper to it. That's always nice to have on hand. So that's really everything. The kit is, as I said, it was an exclusive from Simon, only available for a limited time. It's currently sold out. I don't know whether or not they'll get more back in stock. However, they do have a lot of the product for sale as separate purchases on their website if you are interested in going there and making any of the Valentines that you've seen here today. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time.